Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Trading for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to add a stop loss in Interactive Broker. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Interactive Broker application or go to Interactive Broker website. Then once you have logged into your account, this type of interface will appear in your screen. From the top menu bar you can see trade option. Click on it. Then click to order ticket. From there, enter the symbol that you want to buy. Select the share. In order type, click on it. Then this type of drop down menu will appear in the screen. There you can see stop limit. Click on it. Then select the stop price. From here you can select or set your stop limit option. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.